Now, to swap out these spools, it's pretty easy. You just take the cap off and you can pull the spool out. Make sure you keep some tension on that line. To put the spool in, all you need to do is take the string out. It has a little catch here to keep the string in place. But you take that out, you're going to put the gear side down, thread this through the string trimming hole, put that down, take up any slack, put your cap back on, and you're good to go. You can see the gears here. That's how the command line feed works. It adds some extra line when you need it to. If you do want to add your own line to these, it's fairly easy to do. But basically, I believe this is 0.065 string trimming line. If not, I'll add it to the video right there with the correct sizes. If you're going to add new line to these spools, you can get replacement spools or add new line to it. I'm going to unwind this so you can see. There's a lot of line on here. But at the start of the spool here, if you can see that, there's a little catch right there that you thread your line through. You can see that catch right there. You thread your line through there. And this shows you which way to wind it. So you're going to wind this clockwise. And when you wind it, you just want to keep it nice and straight. So you keep on winding that all the way. So it doesn't crisscross, but overlaps. So keep it nice and clean. Don't crisscross it. So you wind that up all the way. And then you'll be fine if you want to spool your own lines. Thanks for watching.